Good morning, good morning, good morning. My name is Sean Dexter, and I welcome you back to the Mango Grove for your daily serving of mango juice. It's the weekend, so happy weekend. In fact, it's the goddamn Saturday. So what are you guys doing here? Wasting your time watching videos on Bitcoin. Go out, enjoy the day. It's sunny outside. Get some mango ice cream. But hey, if you insist on sitting here with me and reading some Bitcoin charts so we can make some goddamn good money, then let's go ahead and read some Bitcoin charts. Here we have Bitcoin USD on the daily, Bitcoin on BitMEX. Why BitMEX? Well, as you guys know, for the past few days, we've been looking at this flag-like formation. We broke it to the upside, living in this blue zone territory. Well, we were, and now we were talking about how, hey, okay, we weren't sure whether this was actually going to be respected or not, but it seems like Bitcoin is respecting it, right? We've closed above it. 1, 2, 3 candles now. Okay, good. But this is the big but. If you guys remember in yesterday's video, I said I don't like seeing this. I don't want to see us trickle down. Okay, we weren't seeing this yesterday, so I had said rather, just to be clear, I don't want to see us do this. Okay, I don't want to see us trickle down on this trend line. What I'd like to see typically is a break of this formation. Okay, and then we rally off it right away. Now, in traditional markets, in markets that don't have too much effery, if you guys know what I mean, you would see something like that. And when you see something trickle down like this, it's usually it shows lack of conviction, and it means that you have to start beginning to doubt whether you want to stay in the trade or not, right? And that's what I mean over here by we're not going to be bulltards, we're not going to be beartards. If we want to be real with ourselves, so that's the best way to make sure that you make money and keep your money, which is the mango way, the stress-free way. We have to start evaluating every situation, right? So I'm not gonna guys, I'm not perma bull, I'm not perma bear, right? I want to make that very, very clear, because it's not about being right. As soon as things start to show that things might be a little different, maybe I should reevaluate, that's what's more important. You guys need to start thinking more about your P&L and not about your ego. All right, and I've been saying this over and over again. I know I might sound like a broken record, but I just want to really drill down that culture in the mango community. Okay, that way it will not only keep us from making stupid decisions and losing our money, it will also all keep us humble. Okay, we'll all be okay being wrong, because it's not about being right, man. It's not about being right. Anyways, going back to what I was talking about, we are seeing this price action that I don't really like. Okay, but that being said, is this a death sentence? Not at all. Like we've been talking about on the high time frames, let's just go on, put on our 3-day and look at that. This is good, man. The 3-day looks so goddamn bullish. It's really hard to be bearish. That being said, I know a lot of people are interested in the lower time frames, because, well, people are trying to get their positions in and people are trying to protect their profits, right? So let's go ahead and talk about some of the lower time frames. We'll go ahead and pull up our Coinbase chart. I think I have it right here, and we look at our horizontals, right? Our red box strategy, our blue box strategy, our cool stuff, and maybe we do a couple of updates too. As you can see, we are now we closed yesterday inside the red box strategy. Good stuff. Now I think we're likely going to close again. Let's see how if we have to play only the horizontals, and if you have to keep things very, very simple and make horizontals are very, very powerful, guys. Very, very powerful. As you can see, we drew this all the way back in this zone over here, right? Somewhere over here, and we are respecting that, man. There's so much money that could have made just by playing these ranges over here. That being said, let's go ahead and turn on our Ichimoku and see if we need to make any updates on any of these things. And I thought we had updated this yesterday. We updated the Kijun, I guess not the Tenkin. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this up a little bit over here. The Kijun is coming up onto this horizontal line over here at 10,860. That is good. So we can actually make a zone over there too. You know, let's make this may get a little ugly, but I'm going to put a little. That's going to be like a buy zone, okay, like a buy zone. If we penetrate the blue box 30, that's not a death sentence either, but this is, in my opinion, likely to be picked up very, very quickly. We can go on over to the 4-hour actually now, and I want to look. Okay, the Kijun's coming up all the way there on the 4-hour. Okay, we've moved up over there. Let's look at the 21 EMA. Where's that coming? I'm actually looking at this chart fresh with you guys this morning. I decided to catch up on some readings that I was lagging behind on this earlier this morning, so I didn't get a chance to look at the charts. And what do you know, the 21 EMA lining up, I think, so much support. It's not making it easy for anybody, and I hope my mic is recording. Okay, so on the red light's on. So yeah, it's not making it easy for anybody, not the buyers, not the sellers, but I'll talk about that in a bit. We are having a squeeze like formation over here. We'll get to that. So yeah, green, I don't want to pull the green box territory any further up. what did I want to look at here? Let's go ahead and I want to look at the 200. We'll switch this to the 200. Let's see what the 200 MA is coming up to. And 200 EMA switches to 200. Okay, so we're going to be looking at the teal line, and we're going to be looking at this line, okay, the red line, the teal line and the red line. And let's go ahead and turn off the, we don't need the Tenkin, we don't need the Kijun. But guys, if you need access to the Mango ribbon, again, it's completely free. Just shoot me a PM or use the link below. I think you can just register it via email now. I think Krisha set that up, so I'm not sure though. So anyways, teal, and we don't need the 21. Okay, so this is what I want to look at. Okay, there you go. You see that? This is what I want to look at. There you go. It's lining up perfectly now with the bottom of the green box territory at 10,720-ish, right? We can round up to 7,000, yeah, 10,720. 10,720. Okay, so that's that. We can go back on to our daily now. We don't need any of that. And okay, 200 MA is all the way here. So you guys are basically getting an idea now of how I go through my charts in the mornings. So the green box territory over here, we have this is where we were looking at way back then. We won't be looking at the zone. We won't be considering the zone until we close a 12-hour candle underneath 9,400. Okay, let me go ahead and clear out all the EMAs. We will look at the green zone only if we arrive at this area. We're far away from that, which is why it's so bullish. It's hard to be bearish here, right? But again, we may come all the way down here. It's a very likely possibility. Now let's go ahead and okay, we talked about the daily on. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the symmetrical triangle that everybody's looking at. Everybody's looking at the symmetrical triangle. Need I say much? You can go ahead and turn on our Mango ribbon and just. Nope, that's the Mango indicator and not giving us a signal just yet. You know what, actually let me just go ahead and show it, because I got a couple of emails from you guys asking me to talk about this. So we can go ahead and switch on over to the 1 hour and let's see what we have over here. As you can see, we had a really good signal over here, right? Oh, all the way at the bottom over here, telling you to accumulate your longs, and boom, moving all the way to the upside to the top of the red box 30. Damn. And then again one right over here. Yeah, this was a very good signal too. And then again, boom. Those of you who have access to the videos and know how to play this optimally, you guys know that this was a really good signal. This was a very good signal. And this one over here, yeah, this one was a very good signal over here. And again, damn, this actually allowed you to play the symmetrical triangle almost perfectly. So if you guys play this, man, really well done. I did not take those, but good. I'm glad you guys are using it better than I am. That being said, what did I want to pull up? The Mango ribbon, which is this one over here. So the 21 and the teal line both lining up. We can go ahead and draw like a symmetrical triangle over here. But again, everybody's looking at this, right? So we could break this to the upside. We could very well break this to the upside. The measured move will probably be pointing down to, let's go ahead and see, the green box territory, right? Okay, cool. That's lots of confluence over there. Now I don't want to look at this too much. Because too many people are looking at this. So I'm just going to do myself a favor. You guys can go ahead and look at it. I mentioned this to you guys before. I don't like it when triangles come so far into its apex. I just do not like it. It's going to break very soon. But usually when we see something like this, you're going to see some sort of stupid action. So I rather just, okay, I do want to talk about something too. Somebody asked me yesterday about, Sean, what is your mindset when a trade doesn't go your way, right? And I said, hey, it'd be nice if there's an example of that actually pops up when we're actually trading. And here we have Mel replying in regard to the Mango. She asked me why I picked a Mango, right, as the name of the community, as the name of the the community, the portal. So essentially, Mango represents constant growth, fertility, and even immortality, and it also represents love, right? So basically, the reason I picked it is because I've always been a lover of reading and learning constantly, right? Reading is not enough, guys. You got to read and actually analyze what you read. So I'm an avid reader, voracious learner, and I want to exude that kind of culture in Mango. So that's the reason why Mango is Mango, by the way. And I also love the color orangish yellow is what I really like. And hey, Mango, man, it's like, man, let's go. There's so many things going for it, Mango. Yeah, anyways, and the mango is the king of all the fruit. It's known as the king of all the fruit. That being said, let's get back on over to some charting. We can go back on. Let's look at the high time frames. Okay, let's look at the high time frames. It is a Saturday. So by the way, CME is closed. Yeah, let's talk about the CME. CME is closed. So I want to see where CME is closed. Let's go ahead and remove everything. Let's have a clean chart. And where my CMEs are right over here. CME's closed at 11,969. CME's are looking good, man. This looks like it's flagging right here, right? You can see it flagging right here. We do have a gap. Okay, I do want to. Okay, let's talk about this. Okay, this is. I should have been talking about this a little bit earlier, but remember we played this gap. This is how we got one of our positions in at around 10,600, 10,650ish. Remember, CME gap fill at 10,846. We were playing for that. It seemed like spot played it earlier before CME's even opened, came wick down there. We got our position at 10,650ish. Do you guys remember that? That was last week, right? On the Sunday night. We never filled it. So this has yet to be filled. And CMEs are trading at around $120 premium compared to spot. So if you go 10,870ish minus 100 and yeah, you're getting an average of 10,720. We go back on over to our Bitstamp and let's put up our horizontals. Yeah, okay, top of the blue box is lining up perfectly with the CME, but we are at a premium, remember that? And the premium, if you take into consideration the premium, it's actually the bottom of the green box territory, which lines up with the top of a blue box territory, right? By the nature of it. So there's a lot of confluence here. Again, I would not be surprised if we come down here at all, man. And the measured move of the symmetrical triangle, oh my god, I'm gonna have to draw this again, Jesus. Of the symmetrical triangle is where's it pointing down to? Where the hell is it pointing down to? Right, we can take a little bit conservative. We break down here to the green box territory, right? So again, now let's talk. I was talking about trade management. I won't talk about this. So D asked me from the Telegram, what is my mindset when a trade doesn't go according to plan? So essentially, I said, hey, if I'd like to have an example of when a trade doesn't go according to plan, so I can actually tell you guys my mindset at the time. And this is an example. Yeah, I've not lost any money. Yeah, I've not been kicked out of my trade or anything like that. But what I was not expecting this to last this long, right? I did not get into position for me to be just sitting here in this position with it doing nothing. This is opportunity cost, and not really, right? Because I wouldn't be in any other trade. It's more of like trade management cost, like me having to freaking manage this position and it doing nothing. It's just my time getting wasted, right? So there's some waste over there. Now, according to me, that is a trade not going according to plan still. So because a trade can go up, a trade can go down, and a trade can go sideways. And if I'm planning on it, I don't plan on it going sideways, right? If I'm planning on it going sideways, I'll play the options, right? I'll play options. I wasn't planning on this going sideways. So this is an example of a trade not going according to plan. Last night I actually got out of my position. Why? Because you guys know my fiance is currently in a different time zone, and I've been taking advantage of that, and I've been holding on to my position because she'd managed it for me. But she was busy yesterday. She couldn't do that for me. So look at what I did, guys. I had no qualms. I just got out of the position because I did not want to risk it dumping on me, right? Now, it could have dumped, it could have pumped, right? If it pumped, I didn't care because I didn't get out of my entire position. I only got out of my position that I added over here. If you guys know, we've been adding through the mango vine indicator throughout this entire run. I'm not gonna get rid of that. I got rid of this, right? So I'm just giving you guys an idea of how my mind works. And now this morning I woke up and I got back into my trade. As you guys know, market did not even move, man. And that's it. Now if we break down here today, I will be managing this, right? If we break this trend line, boom, I'll just get out. It's as simple as that. It's really as simple as that. So yes, we could have pumped, and yes, I would have lost that. That position's opportunity, or that position's potential profits. But I don't care, man. The market gives us so many opportunities. So I think, yeah, we do not talk too much about trading in this last segment, but these things are important, guys. These things are important. So let's do a quick recap, okay? And I'm going to end it there. Actually, I'm just going to end there. It's a weekend. I want to keep you guys. Generally, I want to keep this video short and just make you guys focus on the larger picture over here, right? On the daily, we can go ahead and turn off all the horizontal. Actually, don't turn off the horizontal. The chart's getting ugly. Damn. We have the red box strategy on the top that we have not been penetrating. Okay, we do this all the way back down over here. We blew past the blue box strategy, but the red box strategy has held us back. Now, do we come back down and test our blue box strategy? Are we going to be playing this range? I would not be surprised if we do. Does that make Bitcoin bearish? No, it does not make Bitcoin bearish. It'll just be a massive retest of this Adam and Eve formation that we actually broke out. And if you guys remember, all the way back in this zone, I talked to you guys about a time and space retest, right? When we break out of a massive formation and we spend some time above and we come down and retest it, right? This might be something like that, and that does not make it bearish. This would make it a buy zone. So now, this is how you does it matter? Now when I'm playing this, I'm going to play it on the overall trend of the market, which is to the upside. And I know you guys might be bearish on this, and I don't blame you. I don't blame you. There's good enough reason to be bearish of this. And if you had to ask my opinion, if you had to ask me for my opinion, right now I would lean towards this breaking towards the downside. Okay, but that is my opinion, and that is my gut instinct. It's not even really my gut instinct, really, because I usually don't ignore my gut instinct. Okay, it's really hard to explain the situation. I am not trading what I am feeling right now. Let me just put it that way. I'm not trading I'm trading my technical analysis. Okay, I'm trading my technical analysis, and overall I have to stay bullish. I'm sticking to my rules. I'm going to stay bullish, and I want a reason to get out, and as soon as I get that reason, I'll get out, right? And I won't be getting out of my entire position. I'll be getting out of only that position, because let me tell you something, guys. You don't know when this is going to stop. You don't know when this is going to stop. Again, everybody and their mother is looking at this formation, and everybody's looking to be a buy here, I think, right? I don't know if people are talking about the CME gap fill. I don't know if they are, or are they still waiting for 8,500? That'd be funny. Okay, so that's that. We can go ahead and look at the 3 again, because again, I just want to show you guys how bullish this looks. Okay, this looks really bullish. When is the 3-day closing? 3 days closing tomorrow, and we'll be yeah, okay, no, that doesn't line up, so I won't talk about that. So we are also closing the weekly. Oh, I do want to talk about this. Last night this is one thing going, one really strong thing going, besides this entire bullish action, one really strong thing going on in terms of the bulls, rather in favor of the bulls, is yesterday's close, right? All we need to do was close about 10,805. Why 10,805? You can see it as clear support, this area here, this area here, this area over here, and this area over here, and we close above that. The bulls did come in, the bulls did step up, and the bulls did defend that area. That is a good sign. Now the question is, do we come? This is weekend, this is weekend, so you're not going to see the same players during the weekend that you would see during the week. That doesn't mean that you negate weekend price action, because that's well, you negate it in terms of in a different way, but it's a way for you to you can make money in the weekend, man. You can make money on the weekend. Okay, so that's that. We can go ahead and look at the weekly quickly, and the weekly looking bullish. Okay, any close above 11,500 is going to be very, very strong. So there are other things I do want to talk about, but I will talk about it in tomorrow's video. Go ahead, enjoy your goddamn weekend, man. Enjoy your Saturday. Get some mango ice cream, and while you're at it, actually not while you're at it, do it right now. Throw it a like, throw a subscribe, and share the goddamn video on your Twitter feed and all of that social media stuff that I don't actually frequent. But hey, I hope you guys enjoy this video. My name is Sean Dexter. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.